Hello everyone, and welcome to another First Taste with Hope video. I am your host, Hope Smith, and I'm so glad you are joining us today for another cooking video, as we call it here. So today we are focusing on hot dog chili. You know, that's right, this month is kind of a campfire month apparently, so we're gonna go with that theme. And I'm actually gonna be making a home family recipe for hot dog chili. So you're gonna follow along with me in my own cookbook from my mother, and we are gonna make this hot dog chili, and it's gonna be delicious for some hot dogs. So let's get started. So the ingredients are pretty simple. They are as follows. You're gonna need ground beef, you're gonna need sugar, you're gonna need chili powder, ketchup, mustard, you're going to need vinegar, you're going to need black pepper, salt, you can add onions if you'd like, I will not, and water, of course. So we got that on tap. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the chili. All right, my friends, so here we go. So you are going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Woo! Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Woo! Okay, then we need 1 cup of ketchup. Then we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of mustard. I'm gonna use Dijon mustard because that's what I choose to use. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And then we're gonna add some black pepper and some salt. And then you're gonna mix it all up. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of water. Okay, so that is how you do it. Then once you have completely mixed them through, you're gonna put the stove on a low setting, and then you're gonna cover it up. You're gonna let it cook on low for 30 minutes, let it thicken up a little bit, and then you're good to top it on your hot dogs. And that is how we do a hot dog chili in the Smith household. So thank you for coming to another First Taste with Hope video. Again, thanks to our cameraman Brooks, and we'll see you guys next week on another First Taste with Hope video. Bye everyone.